Hey YouTube, thanks for joining me today. We have a quick video on some kid-friendly head wraps. There are going to be two different styles that the lovely Aurora is going to model for us today. So if you'd like to see how I do it, make sure you stay tuned. Our first head wrap will start off with our fabric going towards the back of the head with a very secure and snug knot going back there, which you will see I pull tight a couple times, but it does not hurt their heads. That really is just to make sure that it stays secure and it stays on their head even when they're playing. I just love these turban style head wraps because they are so easy and adorable. It's not even a lot to explain. You see this a lot of twisting and tucking and pulling, but once you get used to it and you know what you would like your outcome to look like, you can adjust accordingly. Obviously, I'm not usually behind her head when I'm doing this. I'm usually standing in front of her, but for camera purposes, we needed to stand behind. And now we're on to the second wrap here. As I stated before, the first wrap was tied in the back of the head. This style is tied in the front of the head. This is a more popular style that we see all the time with the cute knot in the front. I think it's super adorable. And that's it for these two different trendy head wrap styles. Thanks again for watching, guys, and we hope you and your little one enjoy your head wrap just as much as we do. As you can see, Miss Aurora thinks it's great. Like always, please like, comment, and subscribe below for more videos. See you next time.